So I'm going to quickly just review how to do mixed number addition. This technically will work even if the denominators aren't the same, because you could first get the common denominator and then do this technique. So I will just go ahead and do them with the same denominator. So we're going to look at this problem, 2 and 3/11 plus 5 and 9/11. I personally like to line them up in a vertical way. What do I mean by that? You can do like 2 and 3/11 here, and then the 5 and 9/11 here. What that does is it lines up the fractions and then the whole number part. So if we add the fractions, 3/11 plus 9/11 is 12/11, and then 2 plus 5 is 7. Now, Alex will always ask you to simplify this, and you should in general anyway. But this obviously is not simplified because this fraction here is improper. That means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we need to simplify that. To help us out, I'm going to pull over this fraction circle here. It has 11 pieces. We need to shade 12 of them because our numerator is 12. Let's go ahead and shade 12 of these pieces. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I don't even have enough room for 12. So what I'm going to need to do is get another circle. Okay, so here's one more circle, still with 11s. Remember, I need one more piece still to get to 12. I'm going to shade that in. So now I have 12 pieces, and each size of the piece is an 11th. Well, let's think about this. 12/11 is really the same as one full circle and then 1/11 of a circle. Again, that's the same as this 12/11. I colored in 12 pieces in a circle that was split into 11 pieces. So for our final answer, in order to simplify, we still have the 7 holes, but now we have the 1 whole circle and then the 1/11 of a circle. Combining these, this would be the same as 8 full circles and then 1/11 of a circle. That's how we would get our final answer of 8 and 1/11.